Hey everyone, I hope everyone's well. Welcome back to another video. Good dog. So today, or this video, we're getting the sheep home for shearing. We're topping. So it's mostly fixing up the sheep, getting the sheep ready for shearing and fixing up. It's been it's a busy time getting ready for the shearing, because the sheep are in different places, so you have to get all home and everything organised. Me. So hopefully it's enjoyable, and keep subscribing. So we're here with the Dorsets. Good dog, good dog. And it's a warm day, so we've moved our chivet, batch for chivet yows and lambs already this morning, and we have moved the rams around, so that's why we're later starting with these. So the others were moved before the sun this morning, so can't get every batch moved before sun's up, but we can get these down and get them in and get them separated and get them home hopefully. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog. Sometimes you wish you bring Bob with you. Sit down, Belle. And they're clever enough to come back out with themselves. Oh my. So whether the teasers are working or not, we won't know till we lay out the rams, but well, at least they're all there and accounted for is the main thing. They actually come down into the pen easy enough, so just leave a few ready and then make the trucks up and get them. And go. Easy, easy. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, Svenny. See veins. Pet teaser. Sven. You're missing the boot, Sven. And loading them, this is where they can go really well or really bad, because they can be brilliant or an absolute nuisance to them. Come on, Belle, come on. Come on. Hey, Belle. Ah, Belle. Not today. Man, the flies, holy moly. Oh, they're up in us, that's a good start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on, missus. Come on. I'll get that. Oh, that's the first load done. Good start. just doing a bit of topping here this morning, so you know in the video that it's the topping it's not that bright, so I like to get up some mornings nice and early and go and get a bit of topping done. I always find that you go in the morning and get your topping done, it's just, if you have a breakdown then you know you still have your day to get fixed and all that. Now the topper does a nice job. I know some people say you're better using a mower or you're better using this than the other, but some people don't want you topping. But you know, it's only a small field here, so it's kind of, small topper's not too bad now. In a big field that topper is a bit small. No. It only takes a few minutes to fly around the field and just top it off. So that's it for another video. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you are telling your friends. And lots more to come.